I'm going to the moon. Pauwi na ako kay Kuya Laundry. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Good morning, guys. Shout out to all of you. Ito yung bagong coffee shop yan. Rojo Coffee. Tell me how perfect girl was your love. Somebody told me shout out sa'yo dyan, BS Colette. Good morning sa'yo dyan. Love you, miss you. Ingat ka palagi sa work mo dyan, BS Colette. Shout out sa'yo dyan. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Tita Au, shout out. Kuya Werdo, Ate Linma. Sa inyong lahat, Ate Ari, shout out. Kuya Eljon, Sis Jade, Sis Jenny Rose, Batang Samar, Sis Giselle, Ma'am Claire. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Ate Marites Pansito, Ate Marites Kawamora, shout out. Sir Felmax, shout out. Guapo Aragon, Ate May, shout out sa inyo din. Vincent JK, Ninang Kananay, Ninang Rick, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Ma'am Arlene Colco, shout out. Sir Amoy Paksiw, Kuya ng Aabaw, Sir Jose Marie Mojica, shout out. Sir Modix, Sir Modix tuloy, Sir Modix, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga hindi ko nababanggit. Ma'am Ja, shout out sa iyo dyan. Lola Cusinera, shout out, love you. Sister Blackjack, shout out. Bye bye na sa inyo guys, bababa na ako. Thank you for watching, I love you all. Kuya Joel, shout out sa iyo dyan, baho kag lubot. Kuya Joel, shout out, baho lubot. Sis Indaylin, shout out sa iyo dyan. Thank you sa inyong lahat dyan. Bye-bye. Ate Gilay, love you sa iyo dyan. Shout out. Nakakalimutan ko. Bye-bye na sa inyo. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.